If a toddler can speak fluent Chinese without learning any grammar, so can you. In the past 2 lessons, we learned how to say, My breath smells. I'm going to brush my teeth first. 我的口气不好闻，我先去刷牙。Today, we are going to learn how to say, Okay, I'll let you know when breakfast is ready. The sentence looks really long. However, you have learned most of the words in the sentence already. There are only a few new words, so yes, you can do it. Let's start from the first phrase. 好的 that means okay. Please repeat after me. 好的好的好的好的 The next phrase is 早餐 that means breakfast. Let's review how to say it for a few times. Please repeat after me. 早餐早餐早餐 The next phrase is 做好了 That means prepared. It's done. Please repeat after me. 做好了做好了做好了做好了 And let's go to the second line. The first word, you know it. It's I. 我 Please repeat after me. 我 The next word is new to you. That means right away. 就 Please repeat after me. 就 Then the coming up phrase is 告诉 That means tell. Please repeat after me. 告诉告诉告诉告诉告诉 The last one, you know this word. That means you. Let's review how to say it. 你 So the entire sentence sounds like 好的早餐做好了我就告诉你 Let's practice how to say this. I'm going to say this slowly. Please repeat after me. 好的早餐做好了我就告诉你 One more time. 好的早餐做好了我就告诉你 Once again. 好的早餐做好了我就告诉你 Let's connect them all together. 好的早餐做好了我就告诉你 One more time. 好的早餐做好了我就告诉你 A little bit faster. 好的早餐做好了我就告诉你 Practice makes perfect. Let's do it one more time. 好的早餐做好了我就告诉你 With today's new sentence, this is how our dialogue looks like. What's for breakfast? How about some eggs, milk, orange juice, and bread? That sounds great. My breath smells. I'm going to brush my teeth first. Okay, I'll let you know when breakfast is ready. It's time to practice in Chinese. It seems really long, but you can do it. We practiced numerous times in the past. The only new one is what we learned today. You've got this. I'm gonna read it one line at a time. Please repeat after me. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁。和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻。我先去刷牙。好的，早餐做好了。我就告诉你。One more time. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁。和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻。我先去刷牙。好的，早餐做好了。我就告诉你。This time, I'm gonna read it by the color, so we're gonna connect some sentences together. Please repeat after me. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻，我先去刷牙。好的，早餐做好了，我就告诉你。Let's do it again. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻，我先去刷牙。好的，早餐做好了，我就告诉你。Let's do a role play. The sentences in blue are for the man. The sentences in white are for the lady. Let's get started. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻，我先去刷牙。好的，早餐做好了，我就告诉你。Let's do it again. 早餐吃什么？一些鸡蛋、牛奶、橙汁和面包怎么样？听起来挺不错。我的口气不好闻，我先去刷牙。好的，早餐做好了，我就告诉你。Look at you! You did it! Wow! You can say such a long dialogue in Chinese. It's something to celebrate. Please don't forget to practice a few times after class. In the next lesson, we are going to learn something really short, I promise. We're going to learn how to say "You are welcome" in Chinese, and it's a piece of cake. Please give me a thumb up and share this video. Better yet, don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate your support and see you next time.